Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to the Scrap Buster series. And today I want to show you how to make some of these in like 5 minutes using your scraps. Now keep in mind, I made more than just one. When I say 5 minutes, it's based on just literally making one, but it still doesn't take that long even when you're making multiple ones. The primary goal is to go ahead and have some of your decorations already ready. That way you can just glue them on and then whatever. But these are basically, these could be journal cards or tags, or you could turn them into belly bands or all kinds of different things. Hidden paper clips, tabs, you know. But they're kind of unfinished, and I did that on purpose because whenever I make stuff, I like to mass produce, and then sometimes I like to take something that already exists and then add on to it. But this is just a good way to get like a bunch of things together started within a certain color theme or style or whatever. So anyway, but right here you see, like this was from Junk Journal January, and I was originally going to use it on my Junk Journal January cover, but I didn't. So but a lot of these are scraps from different things, fussy cutouts and all that stuff like that. So you have a pocket here on this one, and they all have an eyelet in them. And I didn't dress them up because, like I said, you can add ribbon, eyelash trim, whatever, dangles, and all that stuff like that. These are just like beginner stuff. And some of them have pockets, some of them don't, but you know. But anyway, this is just how I did some of them. You know, I just fussy cut out the items, glued them together, and then this is what you have. Turn some of them into little pockets and whatnot, little tuck spots and stuff. And here's one, and then this is also a tuck spot. This lifts up. You could actually put a tag here. So and then, you know, have a tuck spot here, and this could be a pocket anyway, and I purposely did that specifically for that purpose, you know. But you know, like some of these, you could turn this into a pocket on a layout or something also, as well as any of these things. So but yeah, I'm just gonna put some music on, and I'll show you how I just kind of basically how I mass made all these. But it would only be 5 minutes if it were just one, as far as like just gluing on some scrap papers, you know, like torn papers, and decorating it. 5 minutes, you know. Alright, I'm just gonna put some music on and then let you watch the process. So this is pretty much it, guys, and I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And thanks for watching.